We'll guide you through how to remove a credit or debit card from TikTok. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. For whatever reason you're wanting to remove the credit or debit card from a TikTok account. Perhaps this card is no longer valid, or you don't like using it, or there's just another reason why you don't want it on TikTok anymore. So to get started in TikTok, go to the bottom right and you can go and press profile. Here we are. Then press the three lines in the top right to open up this list of options, and at the bottom you can press settings and privacy. Then what you need to do is come down into the account section and find the option security and permissions. Then you can go down to the bottom and find browser settings and permissions, and you can go and tap there. And you can then press all payment information and tap there. You can find the card and press the three dots to the right. I only have one here, you may have multiple. And then at the bottom, you can go and press remove. Confirm the decision, and that's it. It's now gone. Leave a like if you found this useful.